Right, I think I'll stop there and I'll explain to you what I've been doing. I did another dip from the previous pour that I was doing, which was a dip on bubble wrap, and I got a small canvas and dipped it into the leftovers. And then it was so smudgy, I thought I would love those colours to go through a chain pull, just using white as my base colour. I have now done it. It is beautiful. I am very happy with it. And I'm going to bring it up closer to the camera for you to have a look at. But before I do, I'll just give it a quick torch to get rid of some of the bubbles. Alright. Again, I just love those colours. They are so pretty. I'm just loving the way the chains have made the lines through them. And what I did was I used the white to put over top of the original smudges, but then I put some of the chain into some of those leftover coloured paints just to give it a little of a different look. And I'm very, very happy with the way that's come out. That's so pretty. So that's it. Another attempt at doing a bubble wrap dip, which I turned into a chain pull. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.